Hey guys, it's Wendy from Daisies and Pie. Today I'm going to do a cleaning video for you. As part of the Try Me Love Me campaign, Spontex have sent over the microfiber window cleaning kit, which we're going to give a try on the windows behind me in a minute. Typically I would clean my windows inside the house probably once a month, unless they're covered in smudge marks or the kids have slopped food up them or licked them, whatever else they do with the windows when I'm not there, I don't know. So we're going to give this kit a try on the window behind me in a minute. So the great thing about the Spontex Microfibre Window Kit is you don't need any chemicals. So you do all your cleaning just using water, which is great in a family home because you really don't want to be using that many chemicals and it's not good for the kids. So whenever you can clean with water, that's a brilliant bonus for me. These also claim to remove 99% of all bacteria, which is another thumbs up. Okay, the Spontex Microfibre Window Kit contains two cloths. You've got this green one with the honeycomb kind of texture. That's the one that you wet with water and do all the cleaning, and it gets rid of all the smears and grease and everything like that. Then you've got a yellow one, which you can just rub over the window. Once you've finished, it just dries it and buffs it and makes it all shiny. We've wet the green cloth just using cold water, and I'm going to give it a go on the window now and see how well it works. There we go, it's actually really quick and easy to use. And once you've done it with the green cloth, you just use the yellow one to buff it up and get rid of any smears and just make it nice and shiny. And there you go, that's one window done, and that was really quick and really easy, and that makes me happy. To find out more about Spontex and the Try Me Love Me campaign, you can check out the Spontex website below.